It's a secret. Don't tell everybody about it. It'll ruin this. It'll ruin our little secret. Well, guess what? The secret is it sucks. Heaven Hill Bottled and Bond. White label just disappeared. They just took it off the shelf, and everybody lost their minds. They lost their minds. They were freaking out. They're like, what cheap ass Bottled and Bond are we gonna tell everybody to buy next? Ew, America. I feel obligated to drink it. Peanuts. Dry caramel. Actually, it smells pretty good. I hope this isn't good. Everybody always says that the Evan Williams Bottled and Bond is the savior to cheap Bottled and Bonds. And I'm like, prove it. And then they said buy it, and I bought it, and then I tried it, and then I hated it. Then I drank that much of it, and I hated it all. And then I saw everybody doing videos on the best whiskeys of 2019. And then I saw people doing videos on the most disappointing or the worst whiskeys or the most overhyped. And I was like, here's my chance to pull this son of a bitch out of my cabinet again and tell the world not to buy it, because it is not as good as they say. It's not that good. I'm sorry I'm whispering, but I'm yelling if you can't tell. If I whisper any louder, I will get kicked out of my home by my beautiful bride. It smells like sawdust a little bit. Like a peanut factory was doing construction. And they just... There's sawdust flying everywhere. And then some got in here. Peanut shell. It's like a peanut shell. Yeah. I don't want to say it smells good because I keep saying it smells bad, and then I smell it again and it smells good. I'm getting apples. Delicious apples. I mean, terrible apples. It's as cheap as balls. It's like oh jeez. $16, $17. It's under $20. I shouldn't be up this late. I shouldn't be up this late making videos about whiskey I don't like. I should be sleeping. But no, it's just me, just who I be. It's just me, it's just who I be. A 300-pound man from... A few things just happened right there, if you couldn't tell. The first thing that happened was the temperature of this whiskey is way too high. We moved into this new place, and I put most of my whiskeys in this cabinet above the refrigerator. And then I got the stomach flu, and I haven't had any whiskey since then, until now. And I just realized that my whiskey, she's hot, like not room temperature, more like the room above a refrigerator temperature. The second thing that happened was I haven't had whiskey in like a week, and that just zinged me like a pow. Then the third thing that happened was acid indigestion. Nope, I don't like it. I do not like it. Sam, I am. I will not drink Heaven Williams. I will not drink it in this house. I will not drink it with my spouse. I will not drink it in my car. I will not drink it in a bar. I will not drink it. I will not drink this icky stuff. I'll send it to Sean with recycled skull stuff. Snuff. Scruff McGuff. Wow, this is not good. Whoever, no, don't do that. Don't tell people this is good. That makes me mad that you told people that. Don't do that. It's like the driest of peanuts. And then it's like drier peanuts. Not like peanuts you put in the dryer, but peanuts that were in the dryer before you bought them. Nope. It's astringent also. I'm getting sawed at the tip. The nose and the palate match perfectly. And yucky's in. Sawdust. Do you like sawdust? No. Then this isn't the best stuff. Jeez Louises. I will not buy another bottle of this. This makes me unhappy. And the fact that people tell people to buy this makes me unhappy. Because I believe some of those people. You know who you are. You know who you are. Bottled and bond status is earned only by meeting strict government standards originally passed in 1897 to ensure quality and consistency. In accordance with these standards, this bourbon is 100 proof, aged at least 4 years, and produced at a single distillery with a single distillation season. That's what bottles and bond means. Doesn't mean it's good. Evan Williams set up his distillery on the banks of the Ohio River. That's why it tastes like caca, because Ohio smells like hot garbage. Sorry, everybody from Ohio. You know what I'm talking about. Instead of this, go buy another Heaven Hill product, keep the money in their family, and buy Fighting Cock 103. It's around the same price, under $20, and much better. The Kickin' Chicken will kick Evan Williams in the butt. I was gonna say the Dickin'. Kickin' and the Dickin'. I said it anyway, so I guess I shouldn't have avoided it in the first place. I shouldn't stop this. It's bad. Go buy Fighting Cock. It's way better. And it's 3 more proof. And it's got a chicken with razor blades on the bottle. It's got sharp finger claw razor blades. Boom, boom, plus, plus. Win, win. My name is Matt. This is ADHD Whiskey. Like I always say, keep your head in the clouds, but your mind on recommending stuff that doesn't make me mad. It's a nice way to put it. Hit subscribe, asshole.